A training workshop aimed at developing effective library research and information management skills for staff of the National Assembly was unveiled at the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, NILDS. The training, which has kick-started in Abuja, is designed to boost organizational performance by equipping staff who serve as custodians of parliamentary information, researchers and policy analysts with practical tools for evidence-based decision-making. The Deputy Clerk of the National Assembly, represented by Abba Shehu, announced that the training is designed to enhance the capacity of Assembly staff for more effective performance that strengthen the roles.
The reputation of our institution is a shared responsibility. We must all act in ways that uphold the dignity and renown of the National Assembly. While the management remains committed to the welfare and development of staff, it must also enforce discipline when necessary to maintain the integrity of our service. Let us therefore reaffirm our commitment to the values of respect, responsibility, and excellence that are hallmark of this esteemed institution, that is the National Assembly.
The Director General of the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, NILDS, Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, says the ongoing training targets 700 staff of the National Assembly. He added that the synergy must be sustained if the National Assembly is to continually work toward the growth of the legislative administration.
This synergy between NILDS and National Assembly must not only be celebrated but sustained, as it exemplifies our collective resolve to build a more competent, innovative, and knowledge-driven legislative bureaucracy. The legislature, by its nature, is an evolving institution in our continent, which is very dynamic, complex, and constantly responding to the shifting demands of democratic governance. To remain relevant and effective in this context, staff of National Assembly must consistently upgrade their knowledge, adopt innovative approaches, and strengthen leadership and management capacity that drive institutional performance. Indeed, the success of any legislature depends solely on the elected representative, not only on them, but equally on the efficiency, competence, and professionalism of bureaucratic structure that support them.
Sulaiman urged stakeholders to sustain the momentum and support capacity-building initiatives within the legislature to ensure continued improvement in service delivery and governance. The three-day workshop seeks to empower National Assembly staff with practical tools for cataloging, digital librarianship, and information management to strengthen evidence-based decision-making and parliamentary service delivery.